Good morning. Welcome back to Fourth Science online class. In previous class, we learnt about our teeth, sets of teeth, types of teeth, and structure of a tooth. Today, we are going to learn about taking care of our teeth. Our teeth help to break food we eat into smaller pieces. Our teeth help to break food into smaller pieces, so that we can swallow and digest it properly. Teeth play very important role, and so it is very important to take good care of our teeth. In today's class, we will learn about how to taking care of our teeth. Proper care of our teeth is very important. When we eat, tiny bits of food get stuck in spaces between our teeth. When we eat, tiny bits of food get stuck in spaces between our teeth. These bits remain in the mouth. Now see the picture. The first picture shows the leftover the food. These are leftover the food. A tiny living things called germs starts feeding this food and starts producing acid. A tiny living things called germs starts feeding this food and starts producing acid. This acid can cause holes in our teeth. It's called cavities. This acid can cause holes on the teeth called cavities. The second pictures you can see the cavities, which cause pain and make it difficult for us to eat our favorite dishes. Which cause pain and make it difficult for us to eat our favorite dishes. So we should take care of our teeth. Now let us see what are the ways to protect our teeth. Ways to protect our teeth. First, brush your teeth at least twice a day. Brush your teeth at least twice a day. Once in the morning and once before going to bed. Next, use up and down motion to brush teeth. Use up and down motion to brush teeth. Next, brush the top teeth downwards and the bottom teeth upwards. Brush the top teeth downwards and the bottom teeth upwards. Next, brush out the back of the teeth. Brush out the back of the teeth. Next, brush the flat surface of the premolars and molars. Brush the flat surface of the premolars and molars. Then use a tongue cleaner to clean the tongue. Use a tongue cleaner to clean the tongue. Then rinse your mouth well after meals. That is, after every meal you rinse your mouth. Then eat food that is healthy for teeth and gums. That is, eat healthy food. Example, milk, eggs, curd and green vegetables. Then avoid eating too many sweets, sugary snacks or soft drinks. Avoid eating too many sweets, sugary snacks or soft drinks. Then visit the dentist regularly for the checkups. Visit the dentist regularly for checkups. Okay, now I ask you a question. How many of you brush your teeth twice a day? Okay, past is past. And then today onwards, you should brush your teeth twice a day. Once in the morning and once in the evening. Okay. Next, calcium is very important for strong teeth. Calcium is very important for strong teeth. And milk and milk products such as curd and cheese are rich in sources of calcium. Milk and milk products such as curd and cheese are rich sources of calcium. Eating fruits and salads help in keeping our teeth healthy. Calcium-rich food items are milk and milk products. So, we should take in our daily food the milk and milk products. Okay. The digestive system we will see in the next class. Thank you.